Hey guys, in this video we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy M31, which is the latest budget device from Samsung, and this is the upgrade to the M30s. So without wasting more time, let's unbox it. This is the front look of the box. Here is some information here too, and the price shows 17,499, but I bought it from Amazon on the first day of the sale at 1599. This is the 128 GB variant. Nothing at the back. I thought about like every time Samsung put some details and quick features on here, but yeah, also the seal has been broken because I just checked if the phone is actually there, because like buying online in India, it's really a bad thing. Like not a bad thing, but it's really a scary thing. This is a cover, I guess. No cover, sorry. The quick start guide, all this paperwork, and a SIM ejector tool too. Yeah, a normal one. Then here we have the phone. So now we are going to keep the phone aside like every time, and we are just going to take a look at the charger. So this is the charger. You can see this is a 15-watt charger and not an upgrade from the M30s, but yeah, fast charging. And this is the USB Type-C cable. You don't get earphones inside. Yeah, Type-C cable, and yeah, normal quality, the Samsung quality, and nothing else. There is no cover. I thought there will be a TPU case. Now let's get back to the phone. Let's remove the plastic. Oh, we have to remove it. So I'm really bad at unwrapping the phones, and so this is the space black color. You can see fingerprint scanner, the cameras, which is the highlight of this phone, and also the 6000 mAh battery. Here are some details, and maybe the IMEI too. And the front camera 32 megapixel, speaker grill, microphone, noise cancellation, USB Type-C, and volume buttons and power button. Let's boot the phone now, and you get to see the Samsung M31 boot logo. And yeah, this phone is like this is plastic, this is not glass, so this phone is a little bit lighter and not that much heavy. Not much aluminum or something is used, stainless steel, nothing is used, just plasticky and given a glossy feel here. So the phone has booted, and yes, the brightness. So yeah, the AMOLED display looks great. Now this is my mom's phone, not my device, so yeah, I won't be making any more videos like routing and all, but yeah, that is it. Also camera review, I will be doing it. Also I'm going to Goa on 26th of March, so I'm going I have made a decision to make some unique video with this camera, because this is the first time I'm seeing a quad camera. Like I have seen it on the internet, but first time I will be experiencing a quad camera, so I will surely be sharing it with you guys. So yeah, please subscribe for this. And yep, that is for the unboxing experience. And you can see this device has been running on Android 10 with OneUI 2.0 core. So yeah, if you have any questions related to this device, or if you want to know something, I will be doing a separate camera review, also a full review after after my mom uses it like from 100 to 0. Then I will give you a good quick look at how the battery graph is, how all the performance is, and I will also play PUBG on this just for review. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Okay, before that, let me show you the camera, which is a highlight. And wait guys, don't like the video now, like it afterwards. So this is the camera. You can see photo, live focus, and everything. I will be covering it in the main video. And these are the modes: Panorama, Pro, Macro. Yeah, macro mode. I'm excited to use the macro mode first time on a smartphone. Like it is available in a lot of smartphones from before. I'm saying first time because I'm going to experience it first time. You can see super slow-mo, hyperlapse, slow motion. So this basic Samsung stuff, and with the micro and other stuff. So yeah, I will be making some more normal videos about this, about some reviews and all. And if you have any questions, you can ask it down below in the comment section. So that's it, this space black glossy color. And yep, that is it for the unboxing. These are the stuff, the You can see the charger and this one. No TPU case, so I'm a bit disappointed, but yeah, it's okay. Anyways, my mom is not going to use that case. She likes a different case. So that's it for this M31 unboxing. This was a short video and I hope you guys will like this unboxing. So if you have liked this video, press the like button. If not, press the dislike button. Also, please guys, give me feedback about this in the description. Sorry, in the comment section, not the description. And please share this video if you if you're going to buy the M31, or if you have someone who is going to buy the M31 there, or just want to take a quick look about the unboxing and all that. Yeah, just for like fun. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, there are like a very few experiences of me unboxing. So please, if you like this, please share the feedback down below in the comment section and tell me how can I improve more. I know I have to improve a lot, but yeah, it's you guys who can help me improve. So please drop a comment. Please, if you don't even subscribe, I don't care, but please drop a comment so that next time you will subscribe. So yes, that's it. Bye bye, and say bye to this 4-quad camera. We'll be back soon.